how to add the TikTok story widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and then tap on widgets. In here, scroll down and then tap on TikTok. After that, scroll down and then touch and hold on the TikTok story. Drag it and drop it onto your home screen. And that's it. Now if you want to create a larger widget, you can do so as well. So back into widgets screen, then we scroll down and tap on TikTok. In here, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there is a larger 4x5 widget which you can drop onto your home screen. And that's it. So you can just tap on it to quickly open up TikTok app and ready to create your story. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.